I amplify the flow. I am poised, purposeful, powerful, present, inspiring, and divinely magnetic, fulfilled, connected, strengthened, and protected. I'm a mystical, sensual, enlightened, visionary leader who is inviting you to expand. I am widely awake to opportunities for myself and others, and my greatest expectations are more, much more than 998 billions come to pass. I choose to be love, calm, understanding in the room, ambitious and loving. I am a connector. I reclaim all that belongs to me by divine right, and I'm ready to accept, allow, and receive with a grateful, loving heart. My personal economy is abundant, powerful, and magical. I decree and declare that we will manifest financial abundance. Blessings.